In this guide, we're going over all of the working codes here in 2026 for Build a Ring Farm on Roblox. We're also going over how to enter in those codes, but before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now to actually enter in these codes, go ahead and find this little settings gear up in the top right, select it, and then if you scroll all the way down to the very bottom, you're going to see this little like code section right here. There is a decent amount of codes that you can actually go ahead and enter in. We'll go ahead and start with the latest code, and you're going to want to type these in exactly as I show them on screen. Capital letters do matter, but this first one is update 5. Go ahead and hit redeem, and you'll go ahead and get yourself a super pet treat just like so. I'm actually not going to go over all of the rewards, so I'm just going to go over all the codes just because there is a lot of codes to go through. But the next one is going to be 250k users. Make sure you go ahead and hit redeem, and once again, capital letters matter, spacing does matter. The next code is going to be Plant Rush Boss Bucks. So this is essentially just Plant Rush, just like so. Go ahead and hit redeem. And as you can see, we got that down there. Our next code is going to be Barf. Go ahead and type this in, hit redeem. Up next, we have thank you. Go ahead and hit redeem. The next code is update 2, spelled like this. Go ahead and hit redeem. Then we have update 1 right after this. Go ahead and hit redeem. From here, we have 2k likes. Go ahead and hit redeem. And then finally, the last working code as of right now is going to be 100k visits. Go ahead and hit redeem. It'll also have you open up a tropical seed pack as well. And it looks like we got some star fruit. Let's go give us, I guess, star fruit again. I kind of wanted, pineapple, but we'll take it. That really is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.